Ugh. I know it does say you'll go away, snow. This is still the sun just coming tomorrow, right? Like there's just still like this got moon. It's right, Duffy? Bucks. I just bucks. And you just a meal. And you're saying, yeah, that's great. I know what to say that anything. You were just saying it almost. Is that the meal say? Hey guys, I was just saying all I'm ever so sense. No problem. I don't know what that does. Please, I don't know what this stuff. You know all the time, like this all the time. Like, damn it. Yes, I can. Go away, Snow. Go away. It's all my fault. This is all my fault. My fault? Hey, wait a minute. That's okay. I don't want to say that though. Mountains. Just so this is all my fault. This is your fault. You know, just your fault. Or you just your fault. Or this is. What? Isn't that great? Yes, that's great. And that's like line of thing. Oh yeah, that's great. I know what that. I know what that means. I think so one then. I tried that thing. Bucks. I know counters all the time. So your neighbors are your trauma. I know it on your stomach on your what really is. I know 10 minutes. Yeah, that's great. I done. Oh no no. I know say punch just go away, Snow, go away. Go away, Snow, go away. The rain is coming. Come on, rain. Come on, rain. Come on, rain. Coming home. Rain, come on. Coming home. Coming home. Hey, rain. Hey, rain. Come on. Now that's what talking about. Yeah, that's great. All that so you puff and shimmy and just a mouth. Yeah, isn't that there's a man versus a mattress thing? Oh yeah, is that I know my that's a trunk. I know what to say that. It's a, hey. I would just say that though. All the things. Yeah, that's us. Hey, Daffy, can you also please on your ring? Yeah, that's great. All you understand? Uh, oh no, not again. That's not how you then. Oh well, that's all on it burning. Hey, isn't that the so point there's a cold rain and that does it when that does a right Duffy? Bucks. And you know what I done so far. Yeah? I want the yes please all your thoughts count on this it. Hey, wait a minute. You would just say that again. You know why? It's just like this is on your rain. Like this, it's sun. Like the what? Oh, okay. I know.